55th GST Council meeting was held on 21st December, and there's a lot of confusion, especially in the used cars GST front. Now, this is what the Finance Minister has said.
Used EV, an individual selling to another individual, no GST. But if a company has bought EV, or if there is a regular registered used car seller who buys EV, does some propping up in it, adds value to it and then sells it. It was felt by states and it was felt by auto and many others also that the EV market is not so saturated as yet that used cars will come. And category mein, therefore used cars category mein EV bhi hai, petrol vehicle bhi hai, diesel vehicle bhi hai. On the margin is only this 18% is being put, as would be for any used car. So it is on the margin, not on the entire amount.
Memes and questions regarding will IME tax from the north have been erupted after the statement from the Finance Minister. So what's the catch behind it, how it impacts you and the industry, and what is the entire story? We explained in this video. Under the current system, used petrol, LPG and CNG vehicles with engine capacities of 1200cc or more and lengths exceeding 4000 mm are subject to 18% GST. Similarly, diesel with engine capacities of 1500cc or more and SUVs exceeding 1500cc or more are falling under the 18% bracket. Now the ruling says that the 18% tax rate will also include vehicles that were under the 12% bracket previously, like the electric vehicles when they are resold by businesses. Get the catch? Let me say it again. The increase in GST from 12% to 18% on reselling a used car is applicable for businesses who are involved in resale of vehicles, not private sellers. So if I go ahead and sell my used EV as an individual to another individual, GST will be exempt only, and the rates will be similar to what they were before for other cars as well. Now coming to the calculation part. For example, I have a business and I bought an EV for say 15 lakh rupees in 2019. Then I use it and sell it for say 10 lakh rupees in 2024. Now the tax will be on the margin, which is purchase price minus the resale value. So now it is showing 5 lakh rupees as loss. But then here the depreciation will be adjusted and I will pay the amount that is higher than the depreciated value of this EV as tax, which means that in my company books, if the depreciated value of this EV is 9 lakh rupees, then I will pay 18% GST on 1 lakh rupees as per experts. Now, how will this impact you? While there is not much of an impact on individuals, the EV industry and the resale industry will be impacted heavily as per experts. Industry experts also say that used cars are the backbone of mobility for Indians, especially in the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. India's used car market in FY23 witnessed a sale of total 51 lakh used cars worth $34 billion. By FY28, the industry is expected to grow to $73 billion. Now, industry experts also say that the increase in GST can also reduce the affordability of used car for buyers, as companies might pass on the extra bucks spent to their buyers too. Hope this is clear now. And what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments.